write a query to calculate running totals or moving averages. In our database, we have table like this. By using this table, we have to find out running totals or moving averages. So first let me write the query. After that, I will explain step by step. Select ID, transaction, date, comma, sum of amount, order by running total. So this is a query. Since we are going to find running total, because of that here I have taken some aggregate function. Here I have given order by transaction rate. After that here I have given arrays for the window function. Here also I have used order by running total. It will show you result based on the running total. You might get doubt about this. Then why you took order by transaction rate here also? So this will works like this. This aggregate function find the total based on this transaction rate. So because of that here I have used transaction rate. But here this order by class gives us result based on the running total. Because of that I have taken here running total. If I run this query, we get result like this. We can see here 2024 January 1. We have amount 150. On second day 150 plus 200 is equals to 250. On day 3 350 plus 75 425. This is nothing but running total. Like that this query works. So that is nothing but running total. Till now we have covered this point. Next one is this point, moving averages. So for that now I am going to write the query. Select ID, transaction date. If I run this query, we get result like this. So we can see here, for current row, it will works like this. Here we have taken two preceding and one current, right? So for that, if you observe here, before 150, we don't have any previous rows, right? Because of that, it will take like this. 150 divided by 1 is equals to 150. So that value only we got here. For 200, it again looking for two rows, but we have only one previous row, not two. Because of that, it will take 150 plus 200 divided by 2. So we get 175. So that value only we got here. Next one 75. For 75, we have two previous rows. They are 150 and 200 and current value. So because of that, it will take like this. 150 plus 200 plus 75 divided by this 3 is equals to 141.66. We have to get 141.66, but I don't know why we got like this.